It is Christmas season. Let's make some plant-based loaf filled with good proteins and minerals. Throw in garlic, cabbage, and beetroot in the mixing bowl. Chop 4 seconds, speed 5. Now add oil and onions to this chopped garlic, cabbage, and beetroot and cook on high temperature with a splash guard. Choose stir-fry mixed vegetable recipe. Add chopped celery and capsicum and we will saute it for 1 minute. Varoma, reverse spoon. Transfer this cooked mixture to cool down. In the meantime, add drained millet, quinoa, ground chestnuts, cooked sweet potatoes, cooked kidney beans, cooked chickpeas, and chopped dates into the mixing bowl. Blend again 1 minute, speed 9 for a smooth texture. Mix well the cooked vegetables and the protein starch mixture. Add back this mixture into the mixing bowl with smoked paprika, oregano, roasted cumin powder, teaspoon of onion powder if you have, Dijon mustard, tomato paste, pepper powder, flaxseed meal, psyllium husk powder, and salt. Also add oats flour and breadcrumbs too. Cover with lid and measuring cup. Let's knead 1 minute to make sure all the moisture is absorbed. Form an oblong-shaped pate with your hands and palms and place it in a parchment-lined bread pan. Glaze it with the tomato topping with a brush. Bake for an hour at 220 degrees Celsius. Remove from the oven and let it cool for 10 to 20 minutes before serving warm with the remainder glazed tomato toppings that is available. There we have it, our plant-based meatless loaf to serve this festive season. Merry Christmas to everyone!